Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab M10, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, tap on the pencil, and add the Do Not Disturb mode to the toggles. And it can be found here, at least that's where it is for me. Hold it, drag it over, drop it, tap on done. And from here, let's go to the second page, and there it is. Hold it. This will take us to the settings. So from here we can, number one, change the behavior. We have the alarms, media, and touch sounds. So choose whichever one you want. Notifications, whichever one you want as well. So that includes like notifications when your screen lights up that you get a notification, or pop-ups when it's already on. Below that we have messages and reminders. Again, you can check whichever one you want. Below that we have the duration. Now I believe in here, yeah, we have messages, so you can change from who you will be able to receive messages during the Do Not Disturb mode. So choose whichever one you want. And then we have the duration, so I would suggest to select until ask every time, and whenever you tap on it, it will bring up the window with two options, so until you turn it off, or for 1 hour, or multiple, depending how many you want. So you can choose from there whenever you're enabling it. And then we also have turn on automatically, which will allow you to set a specific rule. So let's just add one time, name it whatever you want. And from here, once it's done, add it. You have days of the week, so you can select whichever days of the week you want it to work in. Start time, end time, and alarms can override end time. So if you set an alarm clock during this time, it will actually end it before its time. And once you leave it, it automatically is enabled. So you can see that it's right here on. So yeah. Now apart from this one, you can still tap on the toggle itself to turn it on or off at your will. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.